Philosophy YouTube channels make lots of money, and these are channels that do this thing. I studied more than 100 philosophy channels. Out of these 100 plus channels that I studied, I noticed that most of them were monetized, but right now they are no longer monetized. They are demonetized, but these ones are actually doing something different, which made them to still be monetized right now and earning on YouTube while growing so big. So let's check out this philosophy channel right here.
Mechanism. Diagram. The schematic physicists used to map how subatomic particles exchange force. The book argued that sorcery runs on the same mechanics.
And I was curious to know, at least, is this channel monetized or not? How much does this channel make? And a lot of things were running through my mind. And for how much this channel makes $300 to $900. That is almost $1,000 every single month. And it uploads once every week. And they make this money not because people love big quotes, but because people spend hours watching content that helps them think differently about life. Today, in this particular video, I will help you to build and optimize your philosophy channel right now. Of course, philosophy is a high retention niche, and when people start watching, they stay till the end. But this whole thing depends on how you organize your videos. You do not make money by teaching philosophy academically. Rather, you make money by translating philosophy into practical thinking, how to handle pain, discipline, success, and meaning. Top videos that monetize on philosophy needs includes questions about life, mental framework, and ideas that people return to repeatedly. Now that you understand how philosophy channels make money, let's move into the practical section to build one from scratch. Let me show you how to create a monetizable faceless philosophy channel. Let's jump in. This is how to create a philosophy faceless YouTube channel in 2026. First, you go over to your YouTube app, then click on you right here. If you already have a YouTube channel, this is how to be able to optimize your channel so that you can get more views, more subscribers, and when people search, they can be able to see your channel. All right, and if you do not have a channel already, if you have not created a YouTube channel, I already made a full video on that. All right, and I will leave it in the comments section and as well in the description box. All right, so check it out, create your channel and follow along right here. First thing first, click on this view channel right here, and over here click on edit channel. Now we have to edit everything right here to be able to suit our philosophy channel. So what do? We'll head over to ChatGPT. Right here in ChatGPT, I'll first of all tell it to give me a good name for my philosophy channel. So right here, I told YouTube to add Ama to whatever that it's gonna be giving me. All right, so my name is Amarachi, and I want Ama to be, because there's what I saw on YouTube. I think it was the person has his or her name on that particular channel. All right, it sounds like no. Okay, Amafilo or Philo, how should I pronounce it? It sounds good. Amafilo. Let me use Amafilo. So right here, you click on this pencil icon right here on name and change this to Amafilo. Amafilo. All right. So once you impute your name, you simply tap on save right here, and your channel name is changed. All right. Simply click on the handle as well and change it to Amafilo, or what if you want it to be just philosophy, but me, I always want it to bear the same thing with my channel days. And I will check if it's okay or taken. If it's free, I'll simply click here. If not, you can add like 0 to the handle. All right, because most times it's taken. Then for the description, ChatGPT already knows what I'm into, so I will simply type channel description right here. Channel description right here, well optimized one, and let ChatGPT do its thing. Okay, this is the channel description right here. I'll simply copy everything. The philosophy channel is not something that needs too much complicated stuff. Just make it simple, keep it simple. As you can see, I'm using my phone to do this thing. I have received a whole lot of questions. Success, can I use my phone? You can see I'm using my phone and I'm using Android. This particular video you're watching now, I'm not using mic. This particular tutorial, I'm not using mic right now that I'm recording this tutorial. So you can use just your Android phone without a mic to start your Faceless channel. So now click on save, and that is it. Please make sure to read the description, alright? So now that we are done right here, the next thing is to change our profile picture and banner, but we'll do that later in this video, alright? So now we have a perfect channel. The next step is to create our first ever video. Now that everything is set, let's create our first video. Alright, so right now let's create our first philosophy video on YouTube. Alright, of course you can still create for your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere. Alright, so right now let's go to ChatGPT. Of course it still has our details, so what I'll do right now is to tell it to give me an idea of a video to create right here. Okay, so right now I want to create my first philosophy video and I do not have any idea. I mean, nothing is on my head. Give me a video idea that I can create right now that people will be much more interested in. So with this right now, you send to ChatGPT, and now let's see the video idea. Why smart people still make bad life decisions. Feels personal. Exactly. Everyone thinks they are smart. Oh God. And the thing is, we all think we are smart, but we can actually not be. This hits hard. I love this topic. This works for philosophy and psychology. All right, and I'll be talking about psychology in my next video. So if you are enjoying this and you are still finding it hard to pick a niche, you can still check my next video, alright? Because I'll be doing a series where I share with you the top paying niches on YouTube, right? So you can now pick the one that you want and start from there, right? Point 2, emotions, control, logic, and I love this. And somebody like me, I will definitely click. Alright, I love this video idea, and right now I want you to turn it into a short script for me. Why smart people still make bad life decisions. Being smart doesn't automatically mean you will make good life decisions. I love this. So right now we have gotten our ideas and our script. It is time to get the images, and of course ChatGPT can give us the prompt, but okay, let's see what it will do with the images. Okay, so right now I want you to give me 4 images representing each scene and emotion, and I don't want it to be like the normal generic faceless video. I want you to make it a kind of cartoon. All right, so give me the first scene image in a cartoonish form. Let me see how it looks. Prompting this is actually something you need to learn, and I already made a full course on how you can be able to get prompts for your images. I'll leave the link to my AI content starter kit, which is where I listed everything that you need for prompt and the rest of it in the description box, so you can get it and use it for your faceless videos. I wanted this to be like a cartoon, alright? I told ChatGPT to make it like a cartoon, and I love this. This is very good right here, and I don't know if it will suit the YouTube size. So let me tell ChatGPT to make it in YouTube size, alright? That is YouTube video size, that is 16:9. Okay, so I will use videos like this because it is more of philosophy and the rest of it. You know, most times it's elderly people that watch these videos, and it helps you make more money, alright? Because when more persons that are old are watching your YouTube videos, you make more money. So right now ChatGPT have added it and made it in YouTube size, which is 16:9. I'll download it and generate the rest of the video. Okay, so now I am done generating the images. Of course, I paid for ChatGPT right here. This is ChatGPT Pro. That is why it was able to give me more images, right? But if you're using the free one, you generate like, I think 3 to 4 images, and they'll ask you to wait for some hours. So you can either upgrade or wait for that hour, or use any other image generating app or software. I will link the video to the ones I mentioned that are free in the description box, so you can be able to watch the video and use that particular softwares if you do not have ChatGPT Pro or you cannot wait ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt. Second one, same thing. All right, this is how you repeat yourself until you get all the prompts, and then you can be able to paste it in the generating software. All right, so you can get your images, and once done, we go over to bringing everything together and adding the voice, which is the main thing right here. All right, so let's use InShot to edit our video right here. First thing you need to do is to make sure that the canvas is in 16:9. That is the YouTube size. It's automatically in YouTube size, so no need of me. And you can adjust this. All right, click on this video and move this way so you can be able to get everything. Just hold this and move it, and you can be able to extend it. You can still split and do the rest of it. I will not have to show everything right here, but I'll quickly adjust this and also add my voice over. I'll simply tap on audio, record, and record my voice. Of course, for this particular video, I showed you that some channels are demonetized, while the rest that are monetized are either using paid voice over tools or human voice. Of course, you can pay somebody to always voice over your videos, and in Upwork you can get people that work remotely who can voice over your videos. Of course, you have the voice over artist, or even you yourself, since you are not yet monetized. All right, so with this right now, I'll voice over this video, put it the way it will be, arrange everything, and we will see how it looks. All right, and before I start voicing over this video, this is how I always do my voiceover. Right, whenever I'm voicing my faceless videos, this is how I do it. I have to screenshot the voiceover this and paste it right here, the script, and paste it right here, so that once I click on add voice, I'll just be reading everything when it's moving. All right, I'll pause at intervals to move it up, and that is it. Okay, so you can use this method as well. All right, so this is the video and my voice here. This is my voice as the voiceover. Being smart doesn't automatically mean that, and the thing is that my voice seems to be, I don't know, but let me see if there's something I can do about it. Let me go to audio and then my voice. Let me go to speed and just bring it down. Let me go back. Being smart doesn't automatically. Oh, wow. Let me go to speed again and take it a little bit down. Being smart doesn't automatically. This is beautiful. So you don't even need to change your voice. All you need to do is to, as you can see, you will pause. You take a deep breath, you do a lot of things, all right, while doing your voiceover. So all you need to do before you split it, as you can see, I had already splitted mine. So before you split your voiceover, the one that you have already recorded, simply reduce the speed of the voice. All right, reduce it. For mine, I think 0.92 is fine. Let me listen to it. So just play with these things and see how the one that will best suit your, the speed that will align very well with your video and as well with your voice. So you can now use it before editing your voice over. All right, so let's listen to it one more time. Being smart doesn't automatically mean that you will make good life decisions. I love this. This is perfect. This is good. So for the auto captions, of course, you can tweak this to suit the color of your video. All right, you can animate it and every other thing so that it appears better. And with this right now, your video is set. All you need to do is to export, and that is all. Your first philosophy video is ready. All right, so now that we have our video, the next step is to go to YouTube, change our banner and everything, and upload our first video. Click on view channel and of course edit channel. Right here you click on banner. You can actually make a customized person to be able to identify that, okay, this is my consistent person, if you are working with a consistent character. But in this particular side, you don't need a consistent character. You just need a stuff that will reflect what you do. and that is all. So for this one, I'll be taking the image that we generated for the video, and let me use this one. So this is right here. I will save. Alright, so with this right now, we'll click on this plus sign right here and video, upload our first video. So this is our first video right now, and I will just add everything that is needed from A to Z. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Of course, you can ask ChatGPT, you can request ChatGPT to give you the name, but I love that name that it gave me. Okay, why smart people still make bad life decisions. I love this, so I will just copy this without asking it to give me a fresh blah blah blah, right? Because I believe somebody like me, I will click on this video because of this name, so that means other persons will still do the same. You can use AI or Canva to design your channel thumbnail. And the thumbnail of this video, let me check to see if there is any good pictures, because these actual pictures look realistic. I can use one that if I am to be the one searching for this video or sees it on my feed, I'll click on it. But if not, I'll go back to ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail for me, a clickable one. This right here is very good, so I'll simply use it as my thumbnail. Why smart people still make bad life decisions. This actually reflects exactly what the title is talking about. All right, so I'll go ahead to add the description of this video. Okay, so simply get your description from ChatGPT and every other thing that you needed here, and your tags as well. Get your tags and add. Simply tell ChatGPT, give me this video tags, thumbnail, and if you already have something on your mind, you can tell ChatGPT, this is how I want my thumbnail to be. Or if along the line you already got a very good image that can represent your thumbnail, just the way I did right now, you must not get a new one. So right now we have everything. The channel is set and well optimized. Your video is here, and once you click on upload right here, you set it to no, it's not for kids. All right, and your video will be published, and you will start creating a philosophy video from now on. All right, so now you have everything that you need to create and build a faceless philosophy channel niche on YouTube. So right now, I wish you all the best, and let me know what you'll be creating in the comment section. Now that everything is set and we have uploaded our first video, let me know in the comments if this is what you would love to go into and create your first video, and let me know how you are feeling right now, knowing fully well that you have everything to build a monetizable philosophy channel on YouTube. I am Success, and I wish you success, and I know you love to see me in my next video. So like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.